If you are struggling to withdraw money from your Coinbase wallet after the latest 2026 update, this video will save you. Because the old method is gone, where you have sell and cash out options on the home page, and the new version works completely different. In the next few minutes, I will show you the exact step-by-step method to move your funds from Coinbase wallet to your bank account, even if the sell option is not available in your region. So today we are covering all working methods, including the methods that works globally. So make sure you watch this video till then, because most people get stuck in the middle and lose money on fees or wrong networks. First of all, let's discuss the first method, which is the sell option in the Coinbase wallet. Like if I want to sell my first holding, which is Avalanche coin, I simply click on it and click on sell icon. Here I have add the amount. This basically allows you to convert your crypto directly into cash and send it to your bank account from your Coinbase wallet. But here's the problem. Not all tokens are supported, not all networks work. Like I'll show you an example. I simply add amount, and here you can see that this is an unsupported network. So I have to firstly bridge this coin from this network to another network to sell my Avalanche coin. The third restriction or limitation, which is the most important, is that this feature is not available in many regions. Like if you are in Asia, Pakistan, India, then you cannot use this option or feature because it's restricted in these regions due to the local regulations. So does that mean you cannot withdraw your money? No. And this is where method 2 comes in. The second method is the most reliable and recommended method. Here's how it works. You basically transfer your funds from Coinbase wallet to any crypto exchange, Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, or any other, and finally withdraw to your bank account using P2P or any other options in your crypto exchange. So here's how you can do it. Simply go on your crypto exchange and click add funds, and then you have to choose the second option, which is on-chain deposit. And important thing is that you must have to search the exact crypto token which you want to send from your Coinbase wallet. Like if I want to deposit AVAX here, I simply click on it, and then this is the most important step, which is choose network. If you choose wrong network here, then you will lose your amount forever. As my amount on Coinbase wallet, my AVAX coin, my Avalanche holding is on AVAX network. You can see a small box with that coin which shows the network. Please choose the exact network on Binance as well. Simply click on continue, copy the address, and go on your Coinbase wallet. On the crypto token you want to send, click arrow sign, enter your address, enter the amount, and click to send. Here we have to confirm the Face ID, and you can see that my transaction is under processing. It will take about 2 minutes, and after that I will get my amount, my Binance exchange. As you can see from here, my amount has been sent, and I will go on my exchange and check it here. On-chain transactions takes about 2 to 10 minutes. In this time you will get your amount. Click on the assets, and I will refresh my balance, and you can see here that I have received 199.89 USDT worth of AVAX coin. If you want to sell them, click on the trade, select AVAX coin here, AVAX. I am showing you an example. You can select the coin according to your crypto holding. Click on sell the crypto tokens. You will get your amount in the form of USDT or USDC. You can choose here, like if you want to get your amount in USDC, simply choose AVAX USDC and sell your coins in USDC here. Then you can directly move your assets from Binance to your bank account. If direct withdrawal is not supported in your region, then you can simply click on more and choose P2P option here to use a third party to sell your USDC safely, and within 5 to 10 minutes you will get your amount in your bank account. If you have any questions, like if you have any crypto tokens which are not listed on Binance or which are not available on any major crypto exchange, So if you are worried about how to convert them, or you are facing network fee issue or any other issue like this, you can simply put a comment in the comment box. I will absolutely make a video on it, and I have also uploaded multiple videos on the same on-chain deposit and withdrawal topics, so you can also check them. And if you want to be a part of a premium service, you can simply DM on the WhatsApp, Telegram, our website supports contact. Our team will guide you step by step. For more videos, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.